Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using two colors from Polished Pixie Dips. The first color here, it's a fine silver glitter, but it's not your normal fine glitter. This is a beautiful holographic silver glitter and it is super pretty, and the sparkle of this holographic glitter is unreal and it's super easy to work with. And then we are going to pair it with a really fun thermal glow dip powder. This is called Cheshire and it is amazing. So I'm going to let you see it here on the swatch as the purple only, because the transformation of this thermal is beautiful. And I can't believe the color payoff I got with this thermal using the gel method, because we are going to be doing the gel method today. So normally when I'm using thermals, it's really hard to get a really good color thermal payoff. Normally the thermals do not work hardly at all, but these thermals, or at least this one from Polished Pixie Dips, is super sensitive and it works with the gel method, which I'm super excited about. So definitely stay tuned. You will see the transformation of the thermal throughout the dipping process, but definitely wait to the end of the video for that beautiful glow and the thermal changes, because it is such a beautiful mani with that pop of sparkle. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani here, and this is what the color looks like when it's a little bit warmed, and I just think it's super pretty. Now, this thermal is not your solid color pigment. It's a little bit more of a sheer dip powder, and I really liked it, and I got really good coverage on it, and it's super pretty with that sparkle, and it's just super fun that the thermal actually changed with the gel method, and I'm so excited about it. I'm obsessed. I don't want to take this mani off. So definitely check out Polished Pixie Dips. I'll go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below. I'll also put in the cards another Polished Pixie mani that I did last week. Stay tuned. We do have the 13 Days of Halloween series starting October 1st, running through October 13th. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!